Drive Hashem Road. Look straight. Be focused. Driver, how can you drive and leave the steer? What phone do I use? Phone. What?
Enter. Go. Hey. Go enter your car. Hey, come. Go. Enter. Go inside. Stop that. Go. Put that. This one. Remove your hand. Put your hand. I'm going to school. Yeah. So any day we have to go to the park.
No,
we have to, so if we have to go to the park, is that what you are saying?
No.
So we have to buy you chicken nuggets anytime we are going to the park, right?
No,
okay. So that means that we just work and take all the money and go and buy chicken nuggets?
Yeah, I love to
So we are just working for McDonald's, right?
Yeah, I go town
because all the time we just work and take the money, go and buy chicken nuggets, right?
Yeah.
No, we don't have to spend all the money on chicken nuggets. Huh?
Yeah, you see that TV show in June.
Yeah, you know we have to save some of the money.
No, I'm down.
So we should not save any money.
No, and now I'm.
If you are not full, if you are not satisfied, no money saving, right? Guys, you see, my toddler here, every day, he wants to go to the park. We have to buy chicken nuggets every day too. Almost every day we go to the park. Even if we don't go to the park, chicken nuggets. So we go and buy chicken nuggets. So I'm just asking him that why he just spending all the time chicken nuggets, buy chicken nuggets. You see? And he said, yeah, spend the money, work. You are working, you are doing everything because of me. So if I need whatever, you have to buy for me. If I need chicken nuggets, so we have to work and buy for you?
Yeah, it's free.
Okay, it's good. Yeah, we'll buy for you. We'll buy chicken nuggets every day. Why do you like chicken nuggets?
I know, not that.
So why is that you like chicken nuggets, not anything else?
Stew.
You don't.
Stew.
Why?
Stew.
And you like French fries? Why?
Stew.
Why do you like this?
Mom,
Have you seen me taking chicken nuggets before? Have you seen me taking French fries before? No, but you like taking them. And some other chips. Do you see me take chips?
yeah.
No, I don't take chips. But you every day when we go to the store, you go and buy chips. You go and buy chips every day. No. But when we make better food, proper food in the house, yeah, you don't want to eat. Why? Tell me why. Why is it that when we cook in the house, you don't want to eat that one? But when you go and you see chips in the store, you just take this one, take that one, and you just eat chicken nugget, you eat French fries. Why? Is it good?
No.
So you know it's not good, right? So if it's not good, what do? You stop eating, right? You stop eating. Not all the time. Yeah.
You like it? I wanted to.
Oh.